Imagine a world millions of years ago. This is where our story begins. In Africa, long ago, lived creatures who were our distant ancestors. Scientists call them hominids. They didn't look exactly like us, but they were the starting point of our journey. Over a very long time, these early humans evolved. Their bodies changed and their brains grew larger. These changes were important. A bigger brain meant early humans could learn and solve problems better. One of the most important changes was walking upright on two legs. This freed their hands to do other things like use tools. Life was tough for early humans. They faced dangers like wild animals and harsh weather, but they were adaptable and learned to survive. They learned to find food by gathering plants and hunting animals. Over thousands of years, early humans spread out. They migrated from Africa to other continents. As they moved to new environments, they adapted further. This incredible journey of adaptation and survival is what makes us human. Walking upright was a game changer for humans. It allowed them to see farther and travel longer distances. This was a big advantage for finding food and avoiding predators. With their hands free, they could carry things like food and tools. This was important for their survival. Another important milestone was tool making. Early humans learned to shape stones into tools for cutting and scraping. These tools helped them hunt more efficiently and access new types of food. As their tools improved, so did their ability to survive. Early humans lived in small groups. They learned to cooperate and work together for survival. Sharing food and taking care of each other was important. These early forms of social cooperation were essential for their success. Imagine the challenges they faced, learning to control fire and communicate with each other. Their ingenuity and adaptability paved the way for the next chapters in human evolution. Fire was a crucial discovery for early humans. It provided warmth, protection from animals, and a way to cook food. Cooked food was easier to digest and tasted better. This discovery improved their diet and health. Gathering around a fire also brought people together. It created a space for sharing stories and strengthening social bonds. As humans evolved, so did their ways of communicating. They began to develop language. Language was a powerful tool. It allowed them to share ideas, knowledge, and plans. This ability to communicate complex thoughts transformed human cooperation and social life. With language, humans could pass on knowledge to future generations. They could tell stories, share hunting strategies, and teach their young. Language enabled humans to learn from each other's experiences and build upon their collective wisdom. The development of language laid the foundation for the creation of culture, art, and complex societies. For most of human history, people lived as hunter-gatherers. They moved around in search of food, but then something remarkable happened: agriculture. Around 10,000 years ago, humans learned to cultivate plants and domesticate animals. This was a turning point. Agriculture allowed humans to settle in one place and grow their own food. This led to larger populations, permanent villages, and eventually the rise of cities. With more people living together, societies became more complex. People took on specialized roles, such as farmers, artisans, and rulers. This division of labor led to the development of new technologies and innovations. Agriculture brought about a new era of human history: the rise of civilizations. From the first settlements to the complex societies of today, the journey of Homo sapiens is a testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and our enduring quest to understand the world around us.